What if I told you that a simple potato helped build a company worth more than yen 600 crore? It may sound impossible, but that's exactly what happened in China. What started as a small potato farm has grown into a massive business empire powered by innovation, automation, and one incredible vision. Today, we're taking you inside one of China's largest potato operations to discover how millions of potatoes are transformed into frozen French fries and other products that are shipped all over the world. The journey begins across thousands of acres of fertile farmland, where endless rows of healthy potato plants stretch as far as the eye can see. Using advanced farming techniques, AI-powered monitoring systems, autonomous tractors, and modern harvesting machines, millions of potatoes are carefully grown and harvested with incredible efficiency. As soon as harvest season begins, giant harvesters lift the potatoes from the ground while modern trucks carry enormous loads directly to one of the world's largest cold storage facilities. Inside these giant refrigerated warehouses, millions of potatoes are stored under perfectly controlled temperatures. Robotic forklifts, automated cranes, and intelligent inventory systems work around the clock, making sure every potato remains fresh throughout the year. From there, the potatoes begin their journey through a fully automated frozen food factory. First, they're washed using powerful high-pressure water systems before AI cameras inspect every single potato, removing anything that doesn't meet strict quality standards. Next, the potatoes are peeled with high-pressure steam, sliced into perfectly uniform French fries, blanched, dried, lightly fried, and instantly frozen using advanced quick-freezing technology that locks in freshness within minutes. Every stage is completed by state-of-the-art stainless steel machines designed for maximum speed, precision, and food safety. Once frozen, high-speed robotic systems inspect the fries again before automated packaging machines seal thousands of bags every hour. The finished products are stacked by robotic palletizers, wrapped for protection, and transferred into massive frozen warehouses ready for global distribution. The journey continues as refrigerated trucks transport the products to railway terminals, giant container ports, and cargo ships that deliver them to supermarkets, restaurants, hotels, and fast food chains across the world. Every day, this incredible operation processes millions of potatoes, proving how modern technology and smart business decisions can transform one simple crop into a global success story. What began as a humble potato farm has become a business worth more than yen 600 crore, creating jobs, feeding millions of people, and exporting premium potato products to international markets. It's an inspiring reminder that with innovation, determination, and the right vision, even the most ordinary product can become the foundation of an extraordinary empire. If you enjoyed this inside look at one of the world's most impressive potato factories, make sure to subscribe for more amazing factory documentaries and let us know in the comments which factory you'd like us to explore next.